Welcome back to Alien Rest My Garage, and also welcome to my new subscribers. Well, this is where I'm at. I'm working on the gaps right now. As you can see, most of the car is painted. There's the hood over there. That's going to be the spring project. It's coming together. I'm really liking it. I love the color. I still have to wet sand and buff it, but I'm going to wait on that. I'm going to put some other things on and keep moving forward. I did pick up some wheels and tires. What you're looking at are off of a '02 Camaro Z28. These are the chrome, these are actually stock. They're 16 by 8 wheels, and the tires are 245 50 R16s. I really like the stance of them. I mean, and they're nice and, I'll call it fat, don't take it wrong anybody, but they look great. But I have a question for you, because to get this tire on my vehicle, I had to use a 1-inch spacer, and I think I might have to go to a 1 1/4 for the rear, and I think I need a different size of wheel for the front. But right now it turns and everything, but I haven't put the shocks on, and I haven't put the brake system on. I'm actually converting this over to disc brakes from drum. As you can see, there's the rotor and the spacer, which is right there. I went to pull apart and I picked these rear brakes off of a '96 Camaro, and I got the emergency brake going up, and I'm going to try and put it on here. Now, I read this article in Hot Rod magazine. It's off of hotrod.com. It's about doing a budget build or a budget swap of your rear brakes. And they say from 88 to 97, you can pull, if they're rear brakes and their disc off a Camaro, they will fit on the first generation Camaros. So I'm going to try it. And it was $60 for all you see there. And the rotors were a little bit more, but I mean, they were brand new. But my question is, it's a 16 by 8. It barely fits and rotates in here. I mean, I think they'll work in the back. But the front, I don't have the all the steering on here, the not rack and pinion. God, I'm forgetting the name. Anyways, I don't have that on here, so I can't really tell how far it will articulate. But it's hitting the frame front and back, and it doesn't look like it's, you know, it'll have a really good turning radius. So my question is, should I invest in a larger spacer? I can't find a spacer out there that is 1.5 inches and is hub centric. The ones I have on here are not hub centric, which I don't really like. But I don't know. What are your thoughts? What are your ideas out there that you can help me out with? Because that's the reason for this video. Is just I need assistance on it, and I know a lot of you guys are experts, and you might have run across this before and solved it. But if you can help me out, I'd appreciate it. And the question is, will these 16 by 8 with 245 50 R16s tires on the front, will they work? Or am I going to have to go back down to maybe a 16 by 7? I don't know. What will work? And if you have any suggestions, or just point me in the right direction, I can do more research. I just haven't found anything. You know, I see all these cars out there that have some nice tires, they're nice and fat, and I guess I call it pro touring or whatever, but I don't know. But I appreciate it, and give me a ring back. And leave a comment below. It's moving along. It looks pretty good. I'm not going to put it on the front yet. I got to clean out the garage. I got a big mess. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Alien Resto Mod Garage.